Meaning of ECG.
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 ECG. ECG stands for electrocardiogram, which is a test that measures the electrical activity of the heart. During an ECG, electrodes are attached to the skin on the chest, arms, and legs, and they detect the electrical impulses generated by the heart. The resulting tracing shows the pattern of these impulses and can provide information about heart rate, rhythm, and other factors that may affect heart function. Abnormalities in the ECG tracing may be indicative of various heart conditions, such as arrhythmias or coronary artery disease.